Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now I am going to explain my project. Neighbor table based shortcut tree routing in ZigBee wireless net. Modify title: Shortcut tree routing using neighbor chart in ZigBee wireless network. Abstract: I do not need any routing table and route discovery operation cost send packet and the destination. The ZigBee tree routing has been primarily drawback the packet following the tree topology. In this process, to packet destination information not clear for the in the existing process. This proposed method to the first get the destination detail after the file sending for the our process. Using for the shortcut tree routing providing the near best routing path as well as the maintenance. The shortcut tree routing to the evaluate the remaining the hope from the change source to the destination using the hierarchical addressing method to in ZigBee. In this hierarchical address is nothing but the selecting for the three way of the our project flow, and the three way is the finding for the source to destination best path find for the our process. The shortcut tree routing is totally circuitable and compatible with the ZigBee. The finally ASCII algorithm to take the conjunction in the compatibility infeasible to the produce the two message having to the same message digit, or to produce the any message having a given present the target message digit. In this process to the file send to source to destination, and finally calculating for the ASCII algorithm to the calculating the two files ASCII methods. In this ASCII method, if any modify the content or documents, if automatically calculating the regenerate key for the our ASCII method process. In this process, key matching to the files are equal or not equal to finding for the our best process. Now explain the our project flow. This is for our project flow. Start bandwidth monitoring. Bandwidth monitoring is nothing but data has been uploaded or reading has been the calculated file size and analyze the type of data. So file, so you are selecting the file, data has been calculating the type and packet length and calculating size of for the file, selecting the data. Store all the details in database. In the data has been details all the store in the SQL database. Server status check. If no server status, automatically exit our project. If server status check yes means server details get and find the path. Find the path has been using to the ETR status. ETR means the enhanced tree routing status has been to checking the our process. Yes means shortest path find, and that path to file has been sent for the our process. In this using the our protocol for ZigBee protocol applying to the file has been sending for the our process. Auto best way selection. In this process to auto best way selecting for the our process. File comparison is nothing but source to destination file send, and after they get the so two details comparing for the our file comparison process. In this process the MD5 method using applying to ASCII generate to the two file comparison process. So files are equals to the finally analyze the result for the our process. Stop. Now execute our project. This application for two applications in the shortest path and a window form application. First run the shortest path application. This is for the play button, or F5 click to automatically project run. The project has been executed. This is for our main page. In this process, the system IP is the every system has been accessed to the get the our system IP automatically. In this password, the password has been for your system calculating the our password. In our password has been entered. Access. This is for the access button. This click the access process. In this process to your system name and your system IP, and also calculating the system speed and the packet send, packet receive, download process, upload process, also calculating for the process. In this updation process has been in this updation process also has been detecting the our process, and click the next button. This is this page for the file selection process. The file selection to the destination to the send the details. Please click the file selection button. In this process to select the one type of text file. This example for the selecting the file for book 123 dot text file selection, then view details. This is for the your selecting file the view detail process. Then click the file details. This is for file information for the our file detail process. In this for file name, file size, number of lines, file length also calculated. Then click the next process. The system detail clicked. After the get the start for another application. Then click the window form application, the running process. In this process to system detail get for the source to destination. In this process to click the destination detail. This is for the source IP, this is for the destination IP address and port number. And view the details. This is for destination system to the speed and packet send, packet receive, download process, upload process has been developing for the our process. Then click the next page. This page was creating the shortest node for the our process. Node button created. The node automatically created for the our process. And the multipath. Multipath is nothing but selecting for the multi-way of the packet send and receiving process. Then click the next button. This is for the node number of node and number of edges. Number of node has been 1 to 7 nodes. Number of edges has been connecting for the number of edges. Then click the next button. Then select the process button. In this process to x-axis node and y-axis data has been displaying the our process. Then STR starters tree routing. This click here. The feasible node has been creating successful. Then click the view process. View process the shortest path finding the three way of the packet send and receiving process. You select the shortest way of our project. Now automatically view for the process. Then click the view button. This is for the shortest node for the packet send and receiving process. So 1 to 4, 4 to 7 has been the shortest path. Then click the next button. This is access to the data has been received for the our destination process. This is for the idea process. Then click the access button to data has been received. This is access to the data has been receiving our process. Then click the next button. Then the access request. This is for the you receiving the data details for the our process. Then click the view details. This is for the your project view detail for the your information detail for the destination receiving data to the details. Then click the next button. This is packet sending data for the our process. Then click the source to next button. Then load data. This is load data to the selecting for the our destination data. Selecting the destination data. So our selecting data for the book 1 to 3. So selecting the data book 1 to 3. So book 1 to 3 for the you selecting the data. So book 1 to 3 is data has been find and selecting for the our process. So book 1 to 3 is you selecting the data. This is for your sender IP address. Then click access to the data has been received. And further before you send the data and click the next process. So send data has been received successfully for the displaying our message. Then click the access data has been file send has been successfully. Then this process to the data has been received successfully. Then finally exit for the this process. So the exit for the our process. So stop has been this application. Then click the source application to the file view details. So file view details destination to the receiving the data for our application. Then click the next button. So load data. This is for the you are selecting for the receiving the data information. In this our data has been book 1 to 3. So book 1 to 3 data for this is. Then click the for the book data receiving data information. Then file selection. So sending file selecting for the our process. So book 1 to 3 data has been received. Then click the open button. This is for our sending the data. Then compare the button click. So data has been compared for the so source to destination send data. So files are equal. So no modified for our project flow. Then click the next button. This is for analyze system for the our process. So system details. So system details means the file send and receiving process. So finally sending the data for book 1 to 3 text. In this process, so size calculating for the our sending data. Then access data. So access data upload download rating for the our project flow to has been calculating for the our process. Thank you.